Hello YouTube fam, great to see you again as always. Today I'm going to be cooking something quick and easy. It's been highly requested, homemade french fries. They're going to be delicious, they're simple to make. The ingredients that you see right here are not all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Stay with me throughout the video. I'm going to tell you and show you my secret recipe. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already washed my potatoes really well, sliced them like I like them. Aren't they beautiful? French fry style, okay? I'm gonna add my seasonings now. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of my favorite Lowry seasoning salt. And I'm gonna also add one other ingredient, okay? And if you stay throughout the video, I'll tell you what that ingredient is, okay? Stay with me. Okay. All I do is just kind of combine them well. Okay. Let's get them ready to flour. My flour, I've already seasoned my flour with the same ingredients that I season my potatoes with. Okay? Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam. The grease has gotten hot. We're going to go ahead and add our fries. I've already put them in the flour. I'm going to add them one at a time. See how hot the grease is? Just going to do a couple of them for you. Don't just flop them in there. Kind of, you know, you don't want any on top of the other, you know. And you keep adding them, and you let them cook for about 30 minutes. It's according to how your stove works. Sometimes it takes me 30 minutes to cook a batch. Sometimes it takes me 20, okay? Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm going to show you how they're looking. It's been 15 minutes. The color is not on it like I like it. So you just want to kind of move them around. Don't move them too hard. Okay? And let them continue to cook, okay? Try not to touch them. And, I was just touching them then to show you how they look, okay? Stay with me. And hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam. It's been 10 more minutes. So in all, I cooked them 25 minutes, okay? They're done. I'm just going to take them out. I don't want to use my tongs because my tongs may break them. Okay. Let's take them out gently. Okay. Look how beautiful they turned out. Look how beautiful they turned out. Okay, I'm going to do the other batch. And I'll bring you back, okay? Thanks. Another thing I want to mention to you all, I've already got the other batch in. The other thing I want to mention to you all is always put it on a paper towel. Don't put them on a wire rack or anything, because you want your homemade fries to be soft, not hard. Okay? If you put them on that rack, they may get hard. Just a tip that I've always went by. Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam. I finished with the entire homemade fries batches. Don't they look delicious? Don't they look delicious? Stick around so you can find out what that secret ingredient was. Okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, with those homemade fries, I'm frying some chicken legs. They're gonna be delicious. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm finished cooking my chicken legs. I didn't do the video on the chicken legs, how I fry my chicken legs, but I'm gonna link in the description box the way that I cook my chicken legs. I fry them sometimes. I use the air fryer, but I'm gonna put the description in a link in the description box to tell you how I cook them, okay? But don't those homemade fries look delicious? Don't they look delicious? Okay. I'm gonna dip them in some ketchup. Okay. I'm gonna add a little salt to my fries. Okay. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. It's gonna be delicious. I know. I done cooked them several times. Okay. They are delicious. They are delicious. And excuse me. Remember what I told y'all? If you stick with me to the end of the video, I will show you my secret ingredient for my homemade fries. Chili powder. Chili powder makes them just give them a taste that are just terrific. That's my secret ingredient. And like I say, it makes them taste so good. So good. Anyway, excuse me. I'm going to end this video. And as I always say, end of all my videos, look at the top left. And you'll see another video that you may have missed that I cooked. It's a popular video. I have several popular videos here on my YouTube channel. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, please. I need your support. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. And as always, don't forget, look at the top left for a popular video that I've already created that you may not have seen before, please. And share my videos so others can watch. I really appreciate that. And as always, thanks for watching.